Hello and happy day. How does slowing down sound to you today? Would you like to reduce the noise for just a bit? Are you ready to make a choice and decide to listen? My name is Igor S.F. Walker. I'm here to remind people to slow down, to reduce the noise, to walk their lives into a natural flow. Welcome back to the Book of the Week series. Every week as I read another amazing title, I share it with the world. And today we look at Heal Your Body by Louise Hay. This little book doesn't heal anyone, but it does awaken within you the ability to contribute to your own healing process. For us to become whole and healthy, we must balance the body, the mind, and the spirit. We need to take good care of our bodies. We need to have a positive mental attitude about ourselves and about life, and we need to have a strong spiritual connection. When these three things are balanced, we rejoice in living. No doctor or a health practitioner can give us this unless we choose to take part in our healing process. The point of power is in the present moment, right here and right now, in our own minds. It doesn't matter how long we've had negative patterns, an illness, a rotten relationship, lack of finances, or self-hatred. We can begin to make a change today, right here, right now. The thoughts we've held and the words we've repeatedly used have created our life and our experiences up to this point. Yet that is past thinking. We've already done that. What we're choosing to think and say today at this moment will create tomorrow and the next day and the next week and the next month and the next year and so on. The point of power is always in the present moment. This is where we begin to make changes. Usually, what we believe is only someone else's opinion that we have accepted and incorporated into our own belief system. We seldom sit down and question our beliefs. Is that really true? Is that true for me now? Where did that belief come from? Do I still believe it simply because a first-grade teacher told me so over and over? Would I be better off if I dropped this belief? Whatever we send out mentally or verbally will come back to us in the like form. If you hear yourself saying something 3 times, write it down. It has become a pattern for you. The way to control your life is to control your choice of words and thoughts. No one thinks in your mind but you. Our consistent thinking patterns create our experiences. Therefore, by changing our thinking patterns, we can change our experiences. Metaphysical causation. This describes the power in the words and thoughts that create experiences. For every condition in our lives, there's a need for it. Otherwise, we wouldn't have it. The symptom is only an outer effect. When the need is gone, the outer effect must die. No plant can live if the root is cut away. The mental thought patterns that cause the most dis-ease in the body are criticism and resentment and guilt. A good way to use this book when you do have a physical problem is to look up the mental cause. See if this could be true for you, and if not, simply sit quietly and ask yourself, what could be the thoughts in me that created this? Repeat to yourself aloud if you can. I am willing to release the patterns in my consciousness that has created this condition. And repeat the new thought pattern to yourself several times. I've learned that there are really just two mental patterns that contribute to this ease: fear and anger. Anger shows up as impatience, irritation, frustration, criticism, resentment, jealousy, or bitterness. These are all thoughts that poison the body. When we release this, all the organs in our body begin to function properly. Fear could be tension, anxiety, nervousness, worry, doubt, insecurity, feeling not good enough, or unworthiness. Do you relate to any of this stuff? We must learn to substitute faith for fear if we are to heal. Please, do help out. It is easy. Simply like this video so more people can enjoy it. Share it too and spread the word. Subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. And the link to this book is in the description below, so buy it and read. Never stop learning. Thank you. Love and respect.